Okay, today we're going to be exhausting these two bathroom vents. Someone else installed the vents and told the homeowner that they went out, but apparently they just go in the attic. So this is a stucco siding house. So I started with drilling a hole about here from the inside out. I'm also trying out this Hercules 4-inch hole saw. I wasn't sure the best way to hole saw stucco, and I didn't want to drill a bunch of holes, so it says it can cut through all this stuff. So it was only 20 bucks. Here's how it did on some plywood. So I'm going to try it out. If there's a better way to drill a hole in stucco, let me know. But I'm going to give this a try up here on the ladder. Here's my hole. Here's my drill. Carbide. So it's getting started here. It's cutting pretty good. It's getting kind of caught up on the mesh wire that's in there, the chicken wire. So I had to go get my, here's a look at the wire. It's ripping through though. But I had to go get the extra handle here because it was doing a number on my wrist every time I'd hit that chicken wire. So we got it drilled out. It cut pretty good. Even through the wire, you can see all the wire it tore through there, and pretty clean cut. Not bad for an old Hercules. I think it was 22 bucks. Anyways, enough with that. Come on. Okay, so now I got a bunch of caulking here and my vent pipe. Get this going through here. Pretty snug fit, if I remember. Okay, so I'm going to pre-drill these holes here with a tiny masonry bit. I don't remember what size, 3/16 or something. I got these Tapcon 1 3/4 screws. I got one of those in each corner, and then caulked around the edges for extra weather. Left the bottom open, so if water gets in, it can drain out. So I'm up in the attic. I'm going to wipe all this excess off. Kind of got a mess. Sharp edges. Don't cut yourself. Okay, I got two vents, so I'm going to use a Y today. Just so I only had to do one hole. And look at this. I got bathroom fan, tape, bath fan, tape. Use the right stuff. So I got the Y on. Got the two vents on. Now I got them all taped up, nice and airtight. And as you can see, we got both the vents actually leaving the house now. Here's all my trash. Don't leave that in people's attic. Take it with you. Put it in your pocket. Come on, man. Okay, now we're going to give it a test. Here it is. Venting. Wow. So, here's the hole saw. I wound up having to drill another hole for a light fixture. So it's 2 shots through some stucco. Here's the original plywood. It didn't do that good anyways. And almost looks better after going through stucco twice. Also gave a 2x6 a try. So definitely cuts. I mean, it's nothing precise, but it's a hole saw. So there you go.